Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of compute engine pricing discount in Google Cloud Platform. I'll explain more details about the types of compute engine pricing discount types like sustained use discount, committed use discount, and preventable VM discount in Google Cloud Platform. Apart from this, I'll explain more details about what are the limitations of each compute engine pricing discount types so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. As you can see here, the types of compute engine pricing discount are sustained use discount, committed use discount, and preventable VMs discount. Let's discuss them one by one so that you can easily understand them and use them in your project requirements. What is sustained use discount in Google Cloud Platform? The sustained use discount is a pricing benefit offered by Google Cloud Platform for customers who consistently use virtual machines over an extended period of time within billing month. When you run a VM for a significant portion of a billing month up to 100% of the month, GCP automatically applies a discount to the running cost of that VMs. The discount increases as the VM is used for more of the billing month. The discount tries are as follows, like 0 to 25% of the month, then there is no discount offered by GCP. Guys, as you can see here, 25 to 50% of the month, then 20% discount on the standard price, 50 to 75% of the month, 40% discount on the standard price, 70 to 100% of the month, 60% discount on the standard price. All are depends upon the GCP. As you know, the sustained use discount applies to all VMs in a project regardless of whether they are part of the same instance group. The discount applies to the cost of the VM itself but not any additional charges such as storage or network costs. Unlike committed use contracts, which involves a committed for a specific term, the sustained use discount is automatic and does not require any upfront commitments. GCP automatically tracks your VM usage throughout the month and applies the appropriate discount based on the usage. You can see the sustained use discount on your GCP bill, making it easy to understand how much you are saving. This discount encourages users to reuse resources efficiently and helps optimize cost by rewarding consistent usage. It is important to note that if you delete a VM before the end of the month, you will still receive the discount for the time of the VM was running. The discount is calculated on a per minute basis. As you can see here, some of the limitation of sustained use discount are: sustained use discount automatically apply to VM created by both Google Kubernetes engine and compute engine. Sustained use discount do not apply to the VM created using App Engine environments and data flow. Guys, you remember this point. The sustained use discount do not apply to the VM creating using the App Engine environments and data flow. This is your GCP examination questions. You remember it at the time of GCP examination. It will help for you. Sustained use discount do not apply to E2, A2, G2, M3, C2D, C3, tau, tau2D, the tau T2A machine types. As you can see here, the committed use discount CUD in Google Cloud Platform is a pricing model that allows customer to commit to use the specific resources in a particular region for a 1 or 3 year terms. In exchange of this commitment, customer receive discount prices compared to standard on-demand pricing. In exchange for this commitment, customer receive discounted price compared to standard on-demand pricing. As you know, the commitment terms for GCP is that the customer commit to using the specific resources such as virtual machines, memory, GPU in a specific region for term of 1 or 3 years. In return for this commitment, GCP offers a discount rate for the specified resources. The discount applies to the usage of those resources throughout the term regardless of actual usage. Committed use discount are available as spend based or resource based discount depending on the Google Cloud services offering them. Spend based committed use discount provide a discount in exchange for your commitment to spend a minimum amount for a product or services. The discount applies to set of eligible resources for the services. You know, the spend based commitment for compute engine are purchased or measured in terms of dollar per hour of equivalent on demand spend. Spend based commitment are purchased from your cloud computing account. They apply to eligible uses in any projects paid for that cloud billing account. You know guys, resource based committed use discount provide a discount in exchange for your commitment to use a minimum level of compute engine resources in a particular region. The discount applies to vCPU, memory, GPU and local SSD. This provides you the flexibility to use different machines instances across your organization when you have predictable compute engine resources needs. You know, the resource-based commitment for compute engine are purchased and measured in terms of underlying vCPU, memory, GPU and local SSD resources. You know, the customer have the flexibility to use the committed resources in the way they choose within a specified region. They can start, stop and resize resources as they needed. Committed use discount apply to wide range of resources including virtual machines, memory and GCP and GPUs. The commitment is tied to a specific region and the discounted pricing only applies to uses within that region. GCP automatically applies the committed use discount to the specified resources, so customers do not need to manual track or apply the discount. Customer can view their committed use contract details including usage and billing information. In the GCP console, no need for a long-term commitment. The committed use discount allows the customer to enjoy the discounted pricing without the need for a long-term contracts, making it more flexible compared to traditional enterprise agreement. As you can see here, some of the limitation of committed use discount as committed use discount do not apply to primitive VMs instances. Committed use discounts apply to uses in the project or cloud billing account in which those account is purchased. Guys, you remember one point, the committed use discount do not apply to primitive VM instance. This point will help you for your GCP exam. What is preventable VM discount in GCP? Preventable VM discount in Google Cloud Platform offers a significant cost-saving opportunity for a certain types of workloads. Preventable VMs are temporary instances that Google can terminate at any time. They are designed for fault-tolerant, non-critical workload that can be withstand a sudden termination. Preventable VMs are available at much lower price, 60% to 91% discount compared to the price of standard VMs. Preventable VMs are temporary VM and it can be terminated by Google at any time. They are reclaimed after running for a maximum of 24 hours. Preventable VMs are priced much lower than standard and non-preventable VMs. Preventable VMs suitable for workload that can tolerate the interruption and are designed with fault tolerance in mind. They are not recommended for mission critical application. Preventable VMs are commonly used for tasks like batch processing, data analysis, rendering and other short-lived non-critical workload. Automatic termination. Reclaim the preventable VMs at any time within a minimum of 60-second notice. Therefore, they should not be used for workload that require uninterrupted operation. You can attach persistent disks to preventable VMs, allowing you to store data that persistent even after the VM is terminated. And the preventable VMs can run for a maximum of 24 hours. After this period, they are automatically terminated. As you know guys, preventable VMs are subject to availability and can be limited in a certain regions or during period of high demand. They offer a cost-effective solution for workloads that can be stopped and restarted or that can handle interruption gracefully. As you can see here, some of the limitation for preventable VM discount as like compute engine always stop preventable instances after they run for 24 hours. Certain action reset this 24-hour counter. Another limitation like preventable instances cannot live migrate to regular VM instance or be set to automatically restart when there is a maintenance event. And as you can see here, preventable instances are finite compute engine resources, so they might not always be available. This is the limitation. You have a free tier accounts, then you should not apply to preventable instances. It means you cannot use to the preventable instances for your free tier accounts. Due to the preceding limitation, preventable instances are not covered by any service level agreement, are excluded from the compute engine SLA because preventable VMs can run for a maximum of 24 hours. After this period, they are automatically terminated. And preventable VMs are temporary VM and it can be terminated by Google at any time. Now guys, I hope so. Now you can understand the concept of compute engine pricing discount and all the types of compute engine pricing discount like sustained use discount, committed use discount and preventable VM discounts and their limitation in Google Cloud Platform. Thank you. Have a nice day.